service of others. You have epitomized this quote, embodying true leadership and leaving a lasting impact on countless lives. Your humility, professionalism, selflessness, honesty, and humanitarian spirit are exemplary. They've earned you the respect and admiration of all. I have witnessed your day-to-day leadership, and I am moved by your patience, firmness, and calm demeanor in uncanny circumstances. Mark Twain says, and I quote, "Kindness is a language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see." You live this, Dr. Hawkins, inspiring us with your kindness, wit, and generosity. Your loyalty and people skills are a rare gem. You've been the glue holding us together, a tower of strength, our rock, and might I add, the rock of Gibraltar. Sir, you have left a void that cannot be filled. The workplace and workspace will never be the same without you. We would have liked to have a few more years with you, but we are grateful for the time we had. Thank you for going above and beyond, lending yourself effortlessly, and standing like a giant. Your personal touch, and I've always admired this about him, he knows everybody's Christian name. And when he comes into the room and he calls your name, whatever circumstances is happening, the calmness and eloquence with which he speaks your name change the environment. You are very approachable, and for that, everyone loves you. I can remember one particular situation. We were having a baby that was crying non-stop on the ward, and he just walked past and said, "What is happening to this child?" And he took the baby, hold the baby over his arms, and the calmness was transcended immediately. The baby slept, and we were wondering, oh, everybody tried to console that baby, but I guess your calmness, sir, gave it all. We love and appreciate you, Dr. Hawkins. You are an extraordinary colleague, mentor, and friend. Your legacy will live on through the lives you impacted. As Fred Rogers said in closing, often when you think you're at the end of something, you're at the beginning of something else. Walk on, my friend. May God's light illuminate your path. Cheers to the next chapter of your life. Ladies and gentlemen, can you all stand with me, giving our rousing round of applause to this legend